friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the property, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen here, location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.9, which is the good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine and room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and privileges, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen 4 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. There is all accept major credit cards and reserve the right to enter prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 10 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.